Want to become a millionaire in just 1 year? Easy. Open a luxury doggy daycare called Paw and Order SVU, Sit, Vibe, Unwind. Offer Pup Pilates, enrichment, board meetings, and a pup-cup bar, oat milk obviously. Charge $75 per day. 100 dogs per day equals $7,500. Add grooming, training packages, and $299, birthday paw-ties. Monthly memberships, woof-conomics. After turf, toys, and replacing 300 tennis balls daily, you're at 7 figures and best friends with a corgi named Kevin. Extremely scalable, extremely fluffy.